Stunning 5-bedroom home on a generous-sized lot in sought-after Cheshire Forest Neighborhood. The open floor plan features a beautiful living room with stone front gas fireplace, formal dining room, a spacious kitchen with an island, granite counters, custom cabinets, soft close doors, gas range and new dishwasher. Recent updates include all new LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, new organizers in closets, a new spacious screened-in porch and new solar panels to save on your electric bills. More amenities include first floor bedroom and first floor full bath, second floor laundry room, dual-zoned heat and air conditioner, Cat V wiring to all the rooms and surround sound in the living room and frog. The spacious owner's suite has 2 huge walk-in closets, a beautiful ensuite with tiled shower and garden tub. This home is